Good morning. We're out at the tower park again. It's Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a beautiful day. Hi Bella. We're here with the Anafi. We're going to do an orbit if we can. We've turned off the Wi-Fi. We've gone to flight mode. And we're going to go to all on the Wi-Fi band. And we're going to go back. This is a suggestion from Marcus Crawford to always go into flight mode and to put the Wi-Fi to all to see if we get better reception. So, here we go. Shh. Shh. Bella, Bella. It's in fly. It's in film mode. Shh. 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 Sit down. So we're going to go up to 75 meters. Manual standard. Select. No. Where's touch and fly? No. POI. Create a point of interest, tap on the map and select a point of interest. Got it. Select orbit. Left or right? I'll go left. And we're gonna go back to this. No. Oh, there we go. Okay. Orbit. Orbit. Left. There we go. See what happens. See what happens with the map. That's where it's going. We still have good connection on the Wi-Fi, which is really good. I see the little picture there. Just took a little bit to get there, but I believe with these they only do it once. So we shall see. Yep, only does it once. Well, let's do another orbit and we'll go the other way. I don't think I can adjust the speed. But it is in film mode, so it should be kind of slow. So let's just see what happens. We've still got good connection on the Wi-Fi. We're at 50% in the battery. We've got a 7-minute video so far. And we didn't fully charge the battery last night. It takes forever to charge on your computer. But it's coming back. And it's almost done, that one. There we go. So we'll go back to manual mode and we'll bring it back home.